back to my channel. But if you don't know me, my name is Jazz. I love DIYs, home projects, decorations and things like that. So if you are into that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because we're going to be decorating a lot this season. So for today's video, we're going to be decorating our mantle. Ouch. And I'm also going to be doing a few DIY projects because I want to make everything on a budget and I want to reuse things that I already have, and we're going to be working on that. So today's video and projects are going to be amazing. For this Christmas, I have a theme on mine, a few colors that I have on my mind that I really want to use. They're different from what I usually decor my home, but I'm really excited and I hope that you like it, and I hope that you can take inspiration from this video. That's the point. Take inspiration from this video, things that you like. If you don't like something, maybe you can change it, you can change colors, but I hope that you can get ideas on what I'm going to be doing today. The colors or the theme that I'm going for this year, it's called like Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas. Basically the colors are burgundy. You probably have a few decorations in burgundy color at home. I'm also going to be using navy blue. I'm also going to be using a few touches of brown and gold accents. First, I need to go downstairs because I have all of my decoration there. I need to get my garland and a few decorations that I have there to be able to decorate my mantle. So let's go downstairs. Thankfully today it's a better day. It's a little bit chilly, so I have a very thin like sweater, but it's super nice. I can use these and I have all of the Christmas vibes on me today, so yes. So I think I can use maybe this one and this one. Yeah, I think this garland can work because it has pine cones. It's from Walmart from like 200 years ago. I'm gonna take that one too. And oh, this. I think I can use this. Oh, it's so cute. Let's go. Okay, so this is the garland that I'm going to be using this year. It's a very cheap one from Walmart, so you don't need to have like a very expensive garland to be able to decorate your house. You can do it with inexpensive garlands. These other garland that I have, it has pine cones and different types of greenery. So we're going to be putting this on top of this one to make it look fuller and with a high-end look. This is what I'm doing. I'm putting one on top of the other one like this, and then use the same branches to put them together like that. That way they're going to hold pretty nicely. So I put two garlands together, but this one, it's longer than the other one. So I'm gonna try to cut it here. Oh my god. I can't. There we go. Okay. We can use this for something else. So we're gonna leave it there. So this is what it looks now. So much better. Now my idea is to hang this like this. Like swinging, you know what I mean? Because every single year I usually put the garland like on the top of the mantle and like straight, but not this year. I really want something different, so let's put this hanging like that. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Now the problem is how I'm gonna do it. My mantle is made out of wood, so I add a clip here, but it's not all the way in. Can you see it? So I'm gonna try to hold my garland with a wire and this clip right here. Let's try it out. Now it's finally time to decorate the mantle. So my idea was to use a few frames to make different heights on the mantle. I have this one. They are already stained because I'm reusing them. These are from a canvas. I have this one here, but I need a bigger one, and I found this one from a fall project. This is the cool thing about the DIYs that I do. They are not expensive, so I can just reuse them and reuse them and reuse them. I take this out, and I'm only going to be using this frame for this project. Now I need to work on the centerpiece of my projects. So for these, I'm going to be using this oval shaped sign that I have for a very long time, and I'm reusing these actually from another project. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to remove the canvas, all of the clips that it has on the back, and then I'm going to start painting the back side of the canvas on this navy blue color. You can use some paint or you can use spray paint. I actually ended up using spray paint because it covers so much better. You can always dry everything using your heat tool, so if I find the link of this tool, I'm going to leave that in the description box. Now I'm going to put these back again on the frame. I'm going to be using some clips, or you can use hot glue to stick these to your sign. Now I'm going to be using this Christmas greenery that I have. It's basically like the half of a Christmas tree, and I'm going to stick this on the center of my sign, and then I'm going to be adding some ribbon. You can use any color. I'm going to be using this like brownish color, and then I'm going to add a burgundy bow on top. So this is the final look. This is how my project turned out, and I really love it. I think it looks beautiful, elegant. I'm so happy with it. So my idea was to put it on the center of the mantle, so that's what I'm going to do. Just like that. I love when things turn out better than what I have on my mind. Bro. Now I need to make sure that I'm going to add a pop of burgundy because that's the main color that I'm using. So I found these for $5 at a local store, and it looks pretty cute. I'm going to put it here, something like that. Yeah. Now that I have the Christmas tree here, I need something here too to like balance everything, but not the same color. So I'm going to be using this wooden horse that I got from a thrift store. So I'm going to add it right here. Now I need to add the candle holders, and I have this ones for years. They were wood color, but I paint them with spray paint in gold color, and then I add some wax to make it look like antique. So I'm going to add 2 on one side and then 2 on the other side like this. And to add another pop of burgundy color, I'm going to be using this candle. Oh my god, I need to take the plastic out, right? The other one. I want to add some ribbon here. I want to make a bow and put it on this side, but I'm not sure about the color. I have navy blue and burgundy ribbons, because here's the thing with these theme. I don't want to make my Christmas to look like a 4th of July. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna put any type of white color. I can't. So you have to be really careful and try to have balance between the 2 colors that you're going to use. I like the blue, but I don't know. I'm going to put red for now because it's the one that I like the most. But let me know in the comments if you like how the blue one looks. I want the bow to look like this, you know, like hanging like this. Oh, like that. No, maybe. I don't know. It looks like my dog's ears. Let me show you. Mantel! Okay, now to decorate the bottom part of the mantle, I'm going to add this rock that I have, and I'm going to use my accent share in this area because where the accent share is where the Christmas tree is going to be. So we have to do a few changes. I removed the fire stove going to put this close to the Christmas tree. It actually looks pretty nice. I love how that looks. And I'm gonna move the action chair here. Now I'm gonna cover the pillow with this cover that I have. The cover is a little bit bigger than the pillow because this size is super like special. I'm not sure what size it is, but it's gonna work. I'm gonna put it like this, and it works fine. I love it. This is how my mantle turned out, and I really love it. I love the colors, I love the DIYs that I made. I think they look pretty cute, simple but with a high-end look. I'm so happy with it, and I love the combination of the colors. I would love to know what colors you're going to be using for this year, so let me know that in the comments. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure that you are, because in the next video we're going to start decorating the Christmas tree, and I have a few DIYs for that too. So we're going to be working between DIYs and decoration. Thank you all for the love and support. See you on the next one. Bye!